Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about switch case. Okay, new topic is switch case. Now, what is switch case? In switch case, we are providing a message. Then, according to message, we are doing some work. Okay, so I'm taking an example. Okay, so I'm printing a message. Press 1 for add. Press 2 for subtraction. So here I'm giving a two message. If you press 1, then addition. If you press 2, then subtraction. So I'm providing a message properly. Then you need a choice. Okay, so which one you want to do? Either addition or subtraction. So again I'm message. Enter your choice. Okay, and give me a message. Enter your choice. Okay, now the user who need to provide a choice according to this work. So here I'm taking a int. Suppose ch is a variable is equal to a c dot next int, or you remaining write the everything. Okay, then input again ch. So how we write the entire thing in the main switch case? Now you just write switch small s. Okay, switch s small. Within bracket you write the ch, this variable you write here. Okay, whatever the value you provide, this enter inside the switch case, and we will check whether it is case 1 or not. Then colon second bracket, switch second bracket, case 1 c small 1 colon. Okay, done your work. Okay, then break. Now what is the meaning of break? So I'm writing the second case, then I explain you. Case 2, your work, then break. Then another one is default. Then switch keys close. Okay, so this break, if you not write this break, if you press 1, after doing the entire calculation of 1, it will enter inside this second case. If you write break, it will help you to exit from the entire switch case. Break help you to exit from the entire switch case. Okay, is the use of break. Okay, now here what I will do, I am giving a message and taking the value of a and b for addition. Then c is equal to a plus b. Then I print c. Okay, is a work subtraction. So message and taking value of ab, and c is equal to a minus b or b minus a, your choice. Then print value of c. This is a work you do inside this case. Whatever work is present inside your question paper, you do as according to that. Okay, but the main thing is this case and the break must. Switch case, your choice, you're taking the variable, which variable you are taking the value, that variable you use over here. Second bracket, case 1, then enter calculation, break, case 2, colon, enter calculation, break, default. What is the meaning of default? Suppose I'm giving an option, press 1 and press 2. Suppose someone is pressing without this 1 2 anything, that time we need to say something. you are pressing wrong, your choice is wrong, please try again, we are saying. So same thing we are saying, writing here inside the default system dot out dot print wrong choice. Okay, wrong choice, try again. Try again. Then this bracket close. So this one for the default, means if we are not providing the correct option, then what will happen? This will happen. The message will happen. If you provide this message is your choice. Okay. And this is a way to write the entire switch case. Okay. I hope it's clear for you. According to switch case, you can solve many programs. Okay, switch case is similar to if statement. How? Again, I'm giving a same message, same thing. Now, in this case, if statement we are writing if CH is equal to 1, your calculation. Else if CH is equal to 2, your calculation. Else system dot out dot print wrong choice. Okay. Wrong choice. So the same thing I'm writing help of the if statement, nested if. Okay. So sometimes you can get a question from how to convert if statement to switch case or switch case to if statement. That time you need to follow this sequence this way. Okay, the difference between switch and if. Okay, here break not required, here break required. Without break is not possible the switch case. And one more thing, suppose you want to take a option, suppose press A for, or press B for, or press small a, or press small b. That time, in this case, within single quote you write A, or within single quote you write B, capital A, but this colon required. Okay, case small a within single quote colon work, case capital A within colon your work, and this one you are taking this one. So this one also change. What you write? Char ch is equal to sc dot next dot char at 0. This line is used for taking character input or single letter from user. Okay. Now I hope your doubts will be clear from this switch case. So those who are new in my channel, please like, subscribe my channel for more relevant videos. Thank you. See you in next video.